Getting ready to visit the car wash? Here are a few things to consider for a spotless shine. Pre-wash preparation. Remove any loose items from your car. This prevents damage and makes cleaning more effective. Choose the right wash. Select a wash that fits your needs. Basic washes are great for regular maintenance, while premium options offer deeper cleaning and waxing. Check for damage. Inspect your car for pre-existing damage. Document any scratches or dents before entering the wash. Consider the weather. Washing your car on a sunny day ensures it dries properly, preventing water spots. Regular visits to the car wash keep your vehicle looking new and help protect its paint. Follow these tips for a flawless finish every time. Remember, routine maintenance prolongs your car, but things happen. Call CarShield to learn more about the right plan for you. Enjoy the shine.